According to an investor who put money into Bitcoin in 2013, Shib is a good investment right now. In addition to this, a plethora of information regarding Shib has recently surfaced. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own Shib tokens. So what's the most recent news about Shiba Inu coins and how will it impact their value? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on the new information that has recently surfaced on Shiba Inu, which has the potential to increase their value. If you want to know all the details, you have to watch this video all the way to the finish because I have done a lot of study for it. Additionally, the Shib news will shortly be relocated to a secondary channel. Subscribing to that channel with alerts turned on will allow you to view the video, which is linked in the description and pinned comment. However, before we go into our subject, let's examine the chart to determine the current price of Shiba Inu. Approximately 2,860 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With a 24-hour trading volume of $929 million, the price of Shib has fallen 7% in the past 24 hours. At the moment, the token is the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $16.8 billion. These rates may have changed by the time you see the movie, so please be aware of that. We do not provide financial advice on this content. Also, follow the link in the description to our new official Telegram channel. We have received positive feedback regarding the group and have included some excellent freebies. We can begin today's video now. Shib predicted that its bull run pattern from 2021 will be repeated. In March 2024, after being somewhat behind for over 2 years, Shiba Inu surpassed 4,000 units. Early investors became millionaires in less than a year as the price of Shib soared in 2021. Gains for early holders were life-changing as it climbed 85 million% from August 2020 to October 2021. Never before had the cryptocurrency industry witnessed such a unique rise. As a result of 2021's bull run, Shiba Inu welcomed new and first-time investors from all around the globe. The new investors entered the Shib market with the expectation that it will continue its strong performance from 2021. Another group of investors stands to gain tremendously and live lavishly if the rally gets going. Following its 2021 surge, analysts predict that Shib could stage another one. According to the roughly 500,000 people who follow the pseudonymous cryptocurrency analyst Rec Capital on X, Shib has the potential to repeat its bull run from 2021. He demonstrated with charts how Shiba Inu could be retracing a pattern observed during the bull market of 2021. Shib eventually made it to the blue resistance, but it rejected it at the end of 2021. Similarly, Shib failed miserably on its initial try to break blue resistance. As a matter of fact, Shib was compelled to revisit the orange level as fresh support in late 2021 in order to affirm further gains after encountering that blue resistance. The orange level is now undergoing a retest by Shib. Are we witnessing a recurrence of past events? He expressed his thoughts online. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. You can support the channel without spending a dime. However, stay tuned for more information about Shiba Inu, including updates and predictions for the future of the coin. If the Shib price reaches 0.003, how many tokens would you need to earn millions? Becoming a Shiba Inu millionaire in today's industry requires a well-thought-out plan and prompt launch. In light of the present state of the market, grabbing the chance to acquire Shib today could result in significant profits. But the real question is, how much Shib would it take to guarantee $1 million or $5 million fortune? The calculation is quite apparent for those hoping to become Shib billionaires with an eye on the $1 million or $5 million. To get the goal price of $0.003, divide $1 million by it. The purchase of 333 million Shib is the result of this calculation. The present cost of this strategic investment can be calculated by multiplying the quantity of Shib by the price, to the tune of $9,603. When Shib's price inevitably rises to the 0.003 mark, this basic equation will still apply to investors aiming to gain $5 million. It is possible to become a millionaire in the long-term trading world using Shiba Inu, but it requires a strong financial base. The calculation is very apparent for would-be Shib millionaires aiming for the $5 million milestone at 0.003 per coin. Take the price of 0.003 and divide it by the target amount of $5 million. According to this computation, 1.66 billion Shib can be obtained. The present cost of this strategic investment can be calculated by multiplying the quantity of Shib by the price, totaling $48,133. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. By Shiba Inu, Bitcoin pioneer reiterates Da Vinci's recommendation crypto market investors should think about adding Shiba Inu to their portfolios, according to Jeremy, a Bitcoin promoter since 2011. Jeremy made this recommendation in a recent X article, when a crypto enthusiast read his thoughts on investing in Shiba Inu for possible long-term profits. Jeremy gave a straightforward yes in response. It is worth mentioning that the discussion is centered around his support for Bitcoin investments in 2013. The discussion started when Bitcoin Magazine found a video from 2013 in which Jeremy encouraged people to buy Bitcoin as an investment. Even with just $1, Jeremy pleaded with viewers to buy Bitcoin in the video. Noting that the investment will pay off in the long run, he emphasized the need of people keeping $1 in Bitcoin. Jeremy made this plea on May 9, 2013, at a time when the maximum price of Bitcoin was $114. The asset is currently worth more than $70,000, more than 10 years after its inception. Therefore, if one had listened to Jeremy's advice in 2013 and put $1 into Bitcoin, their investment would have grown to $613 by the time they sold it. Curiously, 8.77 Bitcoin tokens would have been the result of a $1,000 Bitcoin investment back then. Given that Bitcoin is now priced at roughly $70,000, these tokens are worth $614,000 at the current valuation. Jeremy is now confident enough to support additional tokens that he thinks could achieve the same level of success as his investment call, thanks to its astounding success. Some members of the crypto community, meantime, have questioned his new promotional choices. Back in the day, people hated me for shilling Bitcoin, calling it a scam, he said in response to his detractors. Make sure you don't miss out on it. This is the basis on which ex-user Millard questioned the Bitcoin promoter about the possibility of investing in Shiba Inu. According to Jeremy's response, Shib could be successful in the long run. Not for the first time has Jeremy made a direct appeal for Shiba Inu investment. If you asked him last year which altcoin is worth buying, he would have given you the same answer. The price of Shib was 790 units when this happened. If an investor had put $10,000 into Shiba Inu back then, at the current price of Shib, they would have $36,708, a gain of $26,000 after 5 months. You can find his initial mention about Shiba Inu in this video. Future prospects for Shiba Inu. As an important aside, Shiba Inu has shown to be a good long-term investment. As far as meme-inspired cryptocurrency projects go, it's up there with the best of them. As an example, from its cryptocurrency low in September 2020, Shib has had an incredible return on investment ROI of 35,349,973%. There are a lot of people who become millionaires or even billionaires because they adopted Shiba Inu early on. Some early adopters who sold their assets too soon now look back with regret, saying they missed out on the asset's long-term potential and huge profits. A recent case in point concerns an African investor who sold their Shiba Inu holdings when their portfolio value reached only $500, resulting in a loss of $108,000. Believers in the Shiba Inu team and Shib's practical utility have told us that many of our subscribers will not be selling their millions of Shib tokens for at least 5 years. Tell me how many are in your possession. Leave a comment below detailing your Shib holdings. The Shib holder deserves praise for having faith in the procedure. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments if you're enjoying it. To ensure you are notified whenever we upload a new video, enable post notifications. The value of Shiba Inu is going to be drastically affected by the impending Bitcoin halving. When the Bitcoin halving occurs, you can find out the price of Shib. You should watch this video right now.